getting nervous.
I don't know where he's taking us.
I don't know where he's taking us. So as crazy as this sounds, my little brother likes to take Logan and I on some pretty cool adventures, to rock climbing, to hiking up to some of the most beautiful waterfalls that Oregon has to offer. We saw so many different waterfalls here, and we also went to multiple wineries.
All right, so here at the Gorge White House out in the Hood River Valley, what I love about it is all of these fields that you see behind us, the rows and rows of trees, they are growing the ingredients needed to make all of these drinks in front of us.
I'm stuck with these two all day long. Too bitter for me.
So for the ones of you that are like, who is Carlos? Logan and I don't know either. Oh my goodness. That's Carlos?
That's Carlos.
Hi, Carlos! So now that you know what's about to come, let's go ahead and rewind just a little bit and start back at the beginning of the day. Alright, so today is going to be a really exciting day. We are in Oregon and we are going to be seeing so many waterfalls and going to a few wineries. So we just got to our first waterfall, which is
Lateral Falls.
Lateral Falls. It is raining, of course, but we're not going to let that stop us.
Rain is not gonna stop us.
Rain is not gonna stop us, so we're gonna go see some waterfalls. Alright, so it is very much raining, and we don't even care because look at this. Oh my goodness. Wow, wow, wow. Honestly, the camera doesn't even do it justice to how massive this is. But oh my gosh, you guys. Oh. Oh my gosh, look at this. So cool. So after spending about 30 minutes or so just wandering around and taking some pictures, we decided to go ahead and go on to the next destination. This next waterfall was just a few minutes away, so this whole early morning that we spent kind of bouncing around from waterfall to waterfall was literally perfect because they're all right next to each other. safe and I'm not going up because I don't want to get hurt. But
Alright, so we are here at the Multnomah Falls at Columbia River Gorge, and let's give y'all a good teaser look at it right up there. Come on, we're gonna go explore it.
honestly, the waterfalls just keep getting better and better. But this one, I think, tops the last two that you just saw. Because look.
Alright, so not only at the bottom is there a really cool viewing area for pictures, but there's a snack bar, there are clean restrooms, there's a full bathroom. But for right now, yes. But for right now, we're gonna go on a little 2-mile hike, and we're gonna go all the way up on that little bridge right there.
Alright, so we have made it to the little bridge on this waterfall. It's quite windy up here, so definitely bring a rain jacket or something.
Don't be a Logan.
Yeah, don't be a Logan and don't bring anything. But it's definitely beautiful. Highly, highly recommend you come up on the bridge because the sights, as you can see behind me, is just incredible.
Alright, so we are at the Columbia River Gorge. We have a waterfall to our back, it's beautiful, and right across we have Washington with some spectacular views.
So another really cool thing is apparently when you're at this waterfall, you can hike all the way up to the top. And like, I never really hear anyone talking about it. So it's
2-mile
really
hike.
Cool. Yeah.
It's really uphill, but you have several stopping areas like Switchback, one of 11.
Oh boy.
Alright, we finally made it to the top. We have a little waterfall behind us and the big fall right down to where our car is. Rachel's scared I'm going to drop the camera.
Oh, it is all the way out.
Alright, time to hike back down.
Alright, so we have left the waterfalls and Tony is now bringing us to not only one winery, but two. So we are at the first one right here.
This is the Gorge White House. It's really nice because you can get flights of cider, wine, and beer that's all local. And they also have a food truck out here where you can get really yummy food.
So let's go check out this winery.
All right, so here at the Gorge White House out in the Hood River Valley, what I love about it is all of these fields that you see behind us, the rows and rows of trees, they are growing the ingredients needed to make all of these drinks in front of us. So here we have a flight of the wines. We have a pear wine, which is literally my favorite. Riesling, Chardonnay, Pinot, Rosé, Pinot Noir, a red blend, and then ending with Cabernet. Then we have a bunch of ciders.
We have ciders starting left to right. We have apple with hops, cherry, blueberry, honey lavender, I've already tried, it's fantastic. Orange, tried that one too, it's super good. Then you have a lemon pear, mixed berry, and then we got a special watermelon added to it.
It's like next level good.
Bacon
Like,
with cherry.
think of the most you've ever enjoyed bacon and then amplify that. This is the cherry bacon flatbread. It's got chunks of crispy bacon and fresh cherries that are sliced and placed on top before it bakes. And they use like a goat cheese on it. And the bread is so like mushy.
It's very soft.
Oh, it's so good.
Yeah.
And then we also got the pear and caramelized onion. We were just talking like, when's the last time you ate a pear? Like forever ago.
I don't think I've ever drank a pear.
And here it is on a
We had
flat.
one.
And here it is on a flatbread, and these are killing it.
So one of the other things about this pizza is it also has little bits of feta in it, which just adds to the
Blue
flavor.
cheese, y'all.
Ah, blue cheese. Yes, it just really mixes really well with the bacon and the cherries. I would have normally never thought to add these toppings on a pizza, but absolutely incredible. Absolutely incredible. Right, don't you think?
Absolutely.
So good.
The harsh flavor from the blue cheese mixes so well with the cherries that are very sweet.
And the bacon.
And then the bacon, you have the salty, it just calms everything, mixes really well.
Hey, dude.
I'm stuck with these two all day long. Nice. Too bitter for me.
All right, so we are walking around right by the winery, and we're trying to figure out what kind of trees these are. We don't think they are grapes. It might be olives.
Pear?
Pear?
Could it be a pear tree?
I don't know,
No.
maybe.
No, because grandmother has a pear tree. It doesn't look anything like this.
I don't know. Look around and see if you can find a partridge.
in the pear tree.
So if you know anything, what kind of trees these are, let us know in the comments below, because we don't know. Anyways.
Ignorance is bliss. So we have a small group, we're right here. The small group that we walked through, there's a little bit of cherries, pears. We had the flower garden right here, strawberries in the back, then blueberries a little bit further out, raspberries, blackberries, and cherries that we can't see from where we're at right now.
Wow, they have a lot. A lot here.
This is really, really cool.
All the ingredients that they had where we were trying our ciders is grown locally from here and put into their ciders and wines.
And wines, yeah. That's so cool.
Thank you to the Kennedy family for opening up their home and their winery to have us here and enjoying their product.
Yeah, because they do an amazing job, so.
Ago, it was, 75 degrees, and then we got a foot of snow.
Holy cow.
Oh, wow.
It was so awful, because, all the they just put the bees out, all the blossom. So they think we probably lost, 40% of the fruit for the year.
Oh, man. That sucks.
It's going to be
The flatbread that you guys make, the one with the bacon and
the cherry bacon.
Cherry.
Yeah. Those cherries, those are our cherries. Yeah.
The mixture of all, it was
sweet, salty, tangy,
so good. I have
glad
never
you liked
had
it.
anything like it
Cool.
before.
Awesome.
Y'all do it
I'm so
phenomenal
glad,
job.
I'm so glad you liked it. Yeah, the flatbread is awesome. The family, the Garrick, the uncle makes them and delivers them every day. The skins,
Wow.
the flatbread skins.
Okay.
And, yeah, we just top them and it's really
amazing.
Cool. It's really cool in the fall too, because all of our fruit is here by then.
Okay.
Cherries, raspberries, blueberries, strawberries will be here in a month, but that's our first one.
All fresh.
All of it. We do a U-pick too. It's really cool. I love it.
That's great.
Yeah, it's really, really awesome. So
Oh, wow.
and pies to go with the ice cream and stuff. Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, the tomatoes, the BLT with the tomatoes in here. Insane. It's so good. Yeah.
I bet that's so good.
Yeah, it's really cool. Yeah, you can just take your glass of water and walk not quite all the way to the East Hills, but pretty darn far.
Wow.
We walked to the apples and then back.
Yeah.
It was great.
Yeah, it's pretty cool. Yeah, I love this place.
All right, so we are leaving the Gorge White House, and
Now we're heading to the Stave and Stone Winery.
so we'll see you there. Look at that.
Let's see our patio. They're ready for us. We're at Stave and Stone Winery here in the Hood River Valley in Oregon. And we ordered too much. We got the largest flight that they have, which is 6 different wines. It's all paired with a different food item. He explained like the history behind each of these 6 wines and how they pair with the food. And I honestly don't remember anything that he said.
It was a lot.
But it looks really good. We got a large charcuterie board, the biggest one that they have, and we're just gonna pig out like crazy.
So the weather definitely has gotten a lot better. As you know from earlier in the vlog, it has been raining all day. So now it's just partly cloudy. There's some little bits of sun coming out. We're kind of fingers crossing that the sun will come out over there behind you so that we can see the mountain. So hopefully.
We've got a good view of the mountains that are close by, but there's Mount Jefferson way in the back that we really want to see poke out, so we'll see.
So, but until then, we're going to enjoy our wine, our tastings, and
Charcuterie.
all of our food.
And if you're wondering, I ordered a beer, so not much of a wine drinker.
Typical.
Okay. You have to try these. No, that's weird. Is it good?
Really good.
Okay, so we're on our next destination to another winery, and we had to pull the car over real quick because there's a giant rainbow, you guys. Oh, in fact, I think there's a double rainbow. There's a double rainbow, but I know you can see one of them. Look at that. It's so cool because normally when you see rainbows, like you can only see parts of it or like one half of it. This one you can see from where it starts up in the arch and then from where it ends. Wow, dude, wow. We like literally ran the car into like almost a ditch.
Of trees.
Like the wineries are right over here. I was like, pull over! Wow. That's such like a vivid rainbow too. That is so cool, dude.
I've never seen one where you can like pick out each individual color of the rainbow.
Yeah. So cool.
I love it.
So everybody else is a little bit chilly right now, so I'm gonna update you. We are at Grateful Vineyard and everything is in bloom. We have Mount Hood that peeks out every once in a while. We have delicious beer. Rachel has a wine, Tony has a wine, and we are just enjoying the day and about to go visit a local celebrity.
We're gonna go see Carlos!
Carlos,
Before he dies!
Carlos apparently is feeling a little bit under the weather. They're hoping he makes it through the summer, but apparently he's a local celebrity around here. So here we come, Carlos.
Okay, so
What I do want to say is that our plan today was to hit 2 wineries, but Logan was having such a good time that he forced us to come to this third winery.
I didn't turn any elbows.
Yeah.
Everybody just kind of agreed.
instead of driving 4 hours right back to Seattle to visit more wineries.
Yeah.
And
So
I've had an absolute blast. Tony's been the tour guide this entire time.
right.
And has been a great part of this.
So this
Thank you,
is
Tony.
this is our third winery. This one is more of like a farm than the other two we were at. So this one has actual animals in it, which is
I'm
really,
even kind of shaking here. It's a little bit chilly.
really cool. So
But what I love is that the farmers have a house literally on the other side of the trees.
Yeah.
And they've got an entire playground for their kids. There's bicycles everywhere. And they'll come out.
playgrounds are everywhere too.
They come out and work the fields, and their kids are playing in the fields with them, which
Yeah.
I love so much.
This
Yeah.
place does seem a little bit more family oriented than the other two were more mainstream.
Yeah.
Which, I mean, you see benefits in both, but you always kind of like to see the family aspect.
Yeah. All right, so we're gonna go see Carlos, and yeah, we have no idea.
But here we come, here we come, Carlos.
Okay, so apparently this is Carlos.
This is Carlos's house. And look, these are all the apples that Carlos has been eating. He loves apples.
Oh my goodness.
Set your drink right up there.
Okay. So for the ones of you that are like, who is Carlos? Logan and I don't know either. Tony has obviously been here before with some friends, so he knows who Carlos is. We have no idea who Carlos is. Oh my
Come on, buddy, come see.
goodness. That's Carlos?
That's Carlos.
Hi, Carlos!
We gotta bribe him with food.
What in heavens?
Carlos is cold. He doesn't want to come out.
Oh, like you?
Yeah.
I was not expecting that to be Carlos. I was like expecting like a goat or something.
Pig or something.
Or a pig or yeah. I was not expecting that.
Carlos!
Carlos! Look at him, he's so cute. Okay, so for everyone wondering, this is Carlos. Right here.
Okay, so Carlos is a giant white steed.
Steve
Ste-
is a horse.
What?
So I actually came here in Oregon last year and met Carlos for the first time. He is a giant white steer. He's huge, but apparently he's getting really old and they don't think that he's gonna live past the summer, which is super sad. But Carlos loves flowers and plants, and I don't see any nearby, so we can't bribe him. So we have to try and get him to come out because we want to show you all Carlos because he's so awesome.
Hey, Carlos. Hey. Okay, so he's completely like staring me down like I'm not coming out of my little home. But every once in a while he'll kind of move like he's going to come out, but he doesn't actually come out. So wow. I don't think I've ever seen one this close.
They're a good 4 feet from point to point.
Also, he has to track through all of that. So I can kind of get why he doesn't want to come out.
I think he's cold.
Oh, look at the rooster on him.
There's a chicken. There's a chicken on top of it.
Oh, chicken.
Chicken and rooster, it's kind of the same thing, right?
I don't know, is it?
One of my favorite things about Grateful Vineyard is they actually have a tulip field where you can get a basket, you can pick as many fresh tulips as you want, and then you just pay by the pound. And they're all different colors. They aren't quite bloomed yet, like they're not fully open, but they still look really pretty. But this is gonna wrap up our time here, and I actually have a secret spot that I did not tell Rachel and Logan about that I'm gonna take them to for us to watch the sunset tonight. So we're about to head back in the car and show you guys a rainy and cloudy but awesome sunset.
Bye, Carlos.
Bye, Carlos.
Bye, Carlos.
It was nice meeting you, Carlos.
I'm so freaking cold!
And it's raining. Let's go! Baby, come on!
Okay, so when I came here last year, one of my friends who lives right across the border in Washington took me to this place. It's super secretive. It's very remote. I know you guys are gonna be mad, but I'm not even gonna tell you how to get here. But we're just gonna show you the best views of the Columbia River Gorge. We're gonna be standing in Oregon, looking across the river into Washington. Okay, we're not even allowed to drive where we're going, so they have it blocked off. We had to park the car, and we are literally going to hike to the spot.
Okay, I don't know about you, but I'm kind of getting nervous.
Yeah, I don't know where he's taking us.
I don't know where he's taking us. Are we gonna climb that mountain?
Yep.
How did I know that, of course, my little brother would take us on some kind of wild adventure where we would be hiking up some rock, some tree, some mountain cliff. There's always an adventure with Tony, huh, honey?
It is.
Look at these things.
After so many breweries and wineries, he has us doing one more hike. Just one more.
Just one more adventure. Okay, let's see.
Keep going, we're almost there.
Is this the easy way, the road?
That's the medium way. This is the easy way.
Oh my God. Okay, so we made it all alive.
Step on the rocks,
We're
not
good.
the moss. Step on the rocks, not the moss.
Dude, you can already see from behind me the views on this side of the river. Now we're gonna show you the other side. Oh, wow. It's like a whole field up here. Dang! Look at all this open space, dude! Wow! So cool!
So, was I right?
Yes.
So the next time I say, Rachel, follow me and don't ask any questions, what are you gonna say?
Okay. Yeah. So we're standing in Oregon, right across the way over there, across the river.
Oregon, Columbia River, Washington.
Wow.
locals, but not really, nothing that's marked.
Oh wow, I see the river. Look at this, it really opens up over here too. Wow.
Then, once you get to where it's kind of a clearing, walk towards the rocks.
Babe, what are you thinking? Oh gosh, it's really wet.
Then once you get to your last rock formation, all you gotta do is go up.
Oh my god! This is legit rock climbing with no ropes and no training. Alright, so we are at the top of, honestly, we don't even know where. This is just a random cliff that we decided to climb, and it's pretty awesome because we're in Oregon and right across the river is Washington.
So I think this is where we're gonna leave you, at the top of this beautiful view, and we'll see you at the next one.